Good morning and welcome to the ADS Securities Fundamentals Update for today with few economic releases across today. Beginning with the Asian session, Australia's and Japan figures came in with another disappointment. Australia's Westpac consumer sentiment fell by 0.7% in March, comparing to a decline of 3% in February, while home loans unexpectedly showed no growth in January after a decline of 3.3% in December last year, while it had been anticipated to rise by 0.7%. In Japan, corporate goods price index also showed a slowing down to 1.8 in February, down from 2.5, while it had been anticipated to decline slightly to 2.2% only. During this session, gold reaches 19 weeks high as China and Ukraine raises heavy demands, while copper touched the lowest level since July 2009. Going forward to the European session today, there are only two economic releases for today, which likely to have a muted impact on the market as well. Eurozone industrial production set to rise by 0.6% in January, comparing to a decline of 0.7% in December last year. In Spain, year-over-year CPI may decline by 0.1% for the second month in a row. As for the U.S. session today, no economic figures will be released from the U.S. and Canada, while crude oil traders will be focusing on the U.S. crude oil inventories, which may rise by 2.1 million barrels last week, comparing to a surplus of 1.4 million barrels the week before. The latest rise in gold and the break above 1,350 suggesting further gains in the next few days and weeks. Looking at the latest CFTC data, Commitment of Traders report showed that speculative long positions increased by 28%, while short positions fell by 48.3% since the beginning of this year, which suggests that gold demand is rising gradually after the significant declines that happened last year. The sentiment analysis also suggests further upside gains in the next few weeks after it broke above 1,350 during the Asian session today, while the next resistance seen is around 1,361, followed by 1,380. Stay tuned today, as we will be publishing a special report on the Reserve Bank of New Zealand decision, which will be released at 20 GMT time, which is midnight in Abu Dhabi local time, and there is a 70% chance for a rate hike today, and the bank could be the first bank to raise the interest rates this year. The reasons behind the rate hike, in addition to our forecast for the New Zealand against the US dollar, later today in our special reports. Follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest special reports, breaking news, and analysis. Thank you for watching.